Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jazlyn. So today is going to be a quick and short video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. This video has been highly requested by many of you guys, so I was like, since my eyebrows are done and since I have everything I use for my brows, why not make this video since it's going to be quick and easy, show you guys how I personally do them. I feel like I've changed my eyebrow. I feel like I've changed the style and how I do my brows, because before I used to be really like dark. I think I'm kind of like more on the natural side. Oh, it's cute like that. Just realized. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like if you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and go ahead and share with all of your family and friends. So now that we are ready and zoomed in, I'm going to go straight. So as you guys know, I mentioned before, I usually go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. But I recently found out that ColourPop, not recently, I've been new, but it's just like I never went in and bought it. But as you guys know, I recently went to buy more makeup and I discovered the ColourPop Brow Boss. Guys, this is literally only $7, and this is $27, and they both do the same thing. Okay, so it's like, why am I wasting $27 when I can get it for $7 and everybody will be happy? The color I am is light brown. First thing I like to do is brush up my brows with the spoolie to give it more of that arch form, the beginning of my brows, and go lightly to give it that line in the beginning. And then as I go up, cover up any bald spots that I may have, which if you guys could tell I do have, really lightly. And as I do that, I like to brush up. I like to go in with the bottom first and then work with the top. When it comes to the bottom, I don't like to go like this right away. I like to go the same direction that my brow hairs are going in. So what I do is, see, my brows are longer now. And then I like to go in and meet the top. Excuse that pimple I have there. I feel like I always end up getting like a new pimple every time I go do my brows, which is really annoying. So now you guys see that I have created a arch on this end. So now I'm just gonna work up the top of my brows very lightly. Work with the hairs. Don't go in directly and carve it out, because it's gonna look really like unnatural, which is what I don't like. I like to work with my hairs, work with what you have, or make the arch much higher, which is what I usually do. Very lightly. See? And that brow is done. Now I'm gonna go in and work on this one. Both of my brows are done. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color light medium. Put it on my hand. I like to put it on my hand really, not too much. I don't like to put too much. I put about that amount. And I go in with this with my god, I like to go in with my flat brush. And if by any chance you accidentally go over your actual hairs, you can go back in with your eyebrow pencil and just go in with it. So after I do that, brush it out with the same brush I put my concealer. I go in with this brush right here. I did my other brow. Now I'm just blending them all together. So there you have it, some nice beautiful brows. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. As you can see, my eyebrows are actually sisters, not cousins or friends. So make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, as I said in the beginning of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.